Let's take a look at another basic Excel function. We just got done looking at the sum function and the min and max function. Let's now take a look at the average function. Now, you think of average, what type of math goes into completing an average, right? I want to be able to take the cells B4 to B8. This is January's amounts here for our different bills. And I want to be able to find out what the average amount is. Well, normally, if I'm going to write this out on paper or go grab my calculator, I would take all those numbers, I would add them up, 1,000 plus 125 plus 150 plus 300 plus 100, and then I would divide that by the number of entries. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would give me the average. Now, that's quite a bit of math going on. Well, thankfully, built into Excel, we have the average function that does all of that for us. All we need to do is use the average function and tell it the range of cells that we want to find the average within. Take a look. I'm going to go down into B13. This is where I put my average label earlier. Now, once I'm here, I'm going to go back to my formulas tab. I'm going to go back to math and trig, and I'm going to find average. A-V-E-R, average. It's not there. Where's that average at? I mean, that's math, isn't it? Average. My eyes aren't seeing it, right? All right, well, let's see. If I go to more functions, I go to statistical. Oh, there it is. There's my average. All right, so once again, we talked about this earlier. It's like, well, you need to learn where these functions are at. Or you can go back to that FX button. You'll find it here, that little FX. Or you can even find it up on your formula tab as well. And you can go search for it in there. Just type in the term and it'll find it for you. Okay, so it'll take some practice and getting used to which book we should be going into. So more functions, statistical, and I got average. You actually see there's a few different types of averages in there. We're going to grab just plain old average. All right, let's see, B11 to B12. Well, that's not what I want. Excel's trying to be helpful, but it grabbed the min and max values. So I'll delete that out. And I'm going to go grab the B4 to B8 values. There we have it. Should feel very similar to the sum and min and max functions. That's really it. I'll hit OK. And for the month of January 2019, I've got an average of 335. That's simple. Using the average function and giving it the proper range of cells. So try that one out. And again, complete the rest of them. Get the min and max and the average for each of the months.